I'm Phredd Phurman, and I'm the stuffed animal wrestler.
Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman! Phredd Phurman!
A lot of people email me and they ask me a lot of questions via email. Do you have email? I do, and I get a lot of questions. Let me read some of them today from old Freddo's email bag. Many concerned fans are wondering, have you ever been bitten by a real stuffed animal? No. Question 2, Joan from Utah says, have you ever been eaten by a real stuffed animal? No. Laura, who's 7 years old, wonders, what kind of stuffed animals have you rescued? All sorts of animals. All sorts of stuffed animals. Laura, if you've got a stuffed animal, I've rescued one like it. You can bet that. Chris B says, what is the scariest experience you've ever had? And I've only got one thing to say to Chris B. It was that time where I was in the middle of the wild. I was out in the middle of the outback. And it's coming after me. Oh! Hey! No! Found one of them. He goes, no, mate. They go crazy. It's down my shirt, mate. It's down my shirt. Mate, it's got it. Hey! It's a oh! It's a oh! It's a oh! It's a oh! Oh! It's all right. It's okay. We're all right. Oh! Whoa! It is a marshmallow just Teddy Berrigan. He's going wild, mate. I can't believe how he's going. No, he's all right. He's okay. He's not. Hey! And this time, I'm gonna get him. Oh, gotcha. Oh, gotcha, mate. Now that was scary.
G'day mate, I'm Phredd Phurman, and today we've gone on a stuffy hunt. A stuffy. If you meet a stuffy out in the wild, remember Phredd Phurman's 5 rules. That his cat sits a child, and sits up from down under. I'll recount them back to front. Then you'll know what to do, mate, when you're on a stuffy hunt. 1, take after that stuffy, like a lizard flat out drinking. If you meet a stuffy out in the wild, remember Phredd Phurman's 5 rules.